video, I'm partnering with 𝐻𝐈𝐿. I don't think I've ever reviewed a wig that looks like this on my channel ever. I wanted to give you guys something a little different. I was a little bit nervous at first when I took it out the box. It's like, oh, I don't know how it's gonna look, but you guys, it came out so cute. And I literally, all I did was add baby hairs and a little bit of mousse to define the curls. This is basically what it looks like straight out the box. It is so freaking adorable. And I feel like you could do so many cute hairstyles with it too. 2 space buns. I feel like you could do, I don't know, a half up, half down. I really like how there's a drawstring at the back, which is a little bit different than the typical adjustable strap, because you can get it exactly as snug as you like it. That drawstring is a game changer because it just makes the unit fit so snug on your head. I did end up using a little bit of this lace in place mist, which is basically the same type of product as like a Got To Be Glued spray. So it's a hairspray that is a little tacky, so it'll just basically help the lace stay in place. I really didn't do much to install this wig at all, as you guys will see, but let's just get into the tutorial.
I've been all in my phone, I got options, and I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair, yeah. Something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you right in my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. My mind, my mind, my body. My body says my mind, my mind, and my heart. My body says I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is, but you got me going crazy. Just you is so amazing. How long can you go, baby? At last, till my body's so crazy. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you right in my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body.
This is such a good wig for a beginner. You know what? I'm actually gonna gift this wig to my mom because she's been on the hunt for a wig that's about this length, curly texture, and she's been struggling to find one that she really likes. Before even getting to this part of the video, I know that she's thinking, oh my gosh, I want that wig. So mom, I got you, girl. So that concludes the video, you guys. I always like to do reviews at the end. Obviously, like with curly units, if you're constantly running your fingers through it, you might get a little bit of shedding, but honestly, no shedding that time. One strand. I don't want to tamper with it too much, but the construction of the wig is so good. The drawstring, which I already told you guys about, is a game changer. Like, I honestly wish that every wig company hopped on board. Like, let's all hop on board. I think it's genius. I want a drawstring on all of my wigs now. This is what the back looks like. So for those wondering about the drawstring, you cannot see the drawstring in the back. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, I appreciate you guys so much for supporting my channel, and I will catch you guys in my next video.